what's up, loves? Welcome back to a new video and happy Independence Day to everyone or to the country. I don't know. 4th of July to everyone, and I'm gonna bring you guys along my day today, even though we don't really do anything like that. I don't know. We just go with the flow, see what the day gets us into. And right now it is early in the morning and we about to go catch a flight, so stay tuned for my flight. So we came here to, it's called JoJo's Coffee Shop. Finally, I have been seeing it everywhere. This is what it looks like. These are the ones that they have, all of these. So my son said that he is gonna help me. Oh my god, my eyes look so horrible. I don't like it. My son said he is gonna help me try them out. It's so cute in here though too. Which one is that one? For sure has to be the caramel macchiato.
Oh, I want to pick.
I'm pretty sure we can do that for you.
Brew. Yum. So my son's helping me out. He's a coffee lover. If you like straight cold brew,
That's a 10 out of 10. No, it's this one.
you like this one? It's pure coffee. Let's try this one. I don't know. I think this is probably the white mocha.
We're gonna have so much energy after this.
This one's good too. I like it. I don't know which one is which though. Yeah? You like it? Here, try to get in the middle. This is the caramel macchiato.
I
You
wanna
have to
taste-
mix it. No, we have to mix it. It's really strong. This. So which one is the mocha? I think this is the latte. This is the white. No.
It tastes like what is that? So, I don't know.
We need a mixer. Oh, get one with it right there. The stick to mix.
You mix
All right,
that
so
one?
we got the mixer to mix the caramel.
Alright, let me taste it.
Which one was your favorite? Here, we need to mix this.
That one tastes like Dunkin' Donuts.
It does. He's my son for sure.
I know my coffee. And taste that one.
That's
Huh. When I tasted it,
the white mocha is good.
this one's good.
Is that your favorite one? Which one was your favorite one? This one? Let me mix it for you.
The first one tastes kind of.
No. This is a latte's more milk.
Mom, look. One.
Here. The caramel macchiato, that one's strong. I think it's the strongest one. I really like them. But I like this one too. I like all of them. It's very much. This is the place. It's super cute in here.
Well, yeah. Which one do you like more?
I
Do you
said
like number 1, 4, 2, 5, or 3?
I like 3 and 5. Oh, I'm so dumb, guys. It's it literally says the numbers of what they are, and I'm over here trying to guess. Look. So it tells you the whole numbers right here, and then it tells you the numbers, like, see?
Bruh.
I like but I guessed them right, so there it is. No, wait, white mocha is kind of sweet. This one is strong.
Which one do you like? Oh, you like 1? Oh no, you like 3 and 5?
So you can obviously tell which one my favorite one was.
The caramel macchiato.
This one. Because it was strong. This one was my least, the latte. Because it didn't really taste like coffee. It's this one, then I think it's one of these, and then this one. Guys, I absolutely loved it. But that's what it's called. Again, if you didn't catch it, it's over here on Scottsdale if you live in Arizona. The vibes in there are super good, and the coffees were good, not gonna lie, except the latte, but I added the cold brew, and bon appetit. It was super good. Now to get back to the car, because it is 125 degrees out here. All right, guys, so it is much later in the day, and we are gonna be doing a holiday drink, or what is it? A patriotic drink, or 4th of July, or is it all the same?
They're all the same.
So my sister found me a good little recipe, and we're gonna try it. And we have these ingredients: cranberry, Sprite, and then we are gonna rim it with a little blue sugar. And the main ingredient, and you can also do the without alcohol. So let's try it with first. So first I'm gonna put the sugar. What, sis? So I'm gonna put like lemon right here so the sugary crystals can stay, and the point is for it to look like red, white, and blue, or green, whatever. What are the colors? Red, blue, and white. All right, guys, so here we have it. Next, we're gonna add the ice. So you wanna get or put the less sugary drink in here first, and you wanna do it slowly too. So here goes nothing, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and add the Sprite. Let's see if it stays. Wait, I don't know if you have the... Guys, so I added it, and look it in the camera. It looks so pretty. Look. Guys, look. But let's see if it tastes good. Looks so good. It's good. It's good. I wonder what's cranberry, like cherries or... Here you guys have it. It looks so pretty in the light though. I absolutely love it. Cheers to Independence Day, 4th of July. Cheers. Yup. I feel you, mamas. Outside and join the free fireworks that we get around here. But we're gonna do a little mini photo shoot. Poor dogs, huh? They're scared. Huh? Oh, yeah. But so, what do you think, sis? We should do? We're gonna light this baby up. I'm putting it in my mouth. It's like, so what do you think? But they look so pretty out here. It looks so pretty. Look at. Where did it go? Sis, bring her. She got scared. That's a gun. We have a little dilemma. We don't know if they're fireworks or they're gunshots.
I'm in the ghetto. Ra-ta-ta-ta. Ra-ta-ta-ta.
So pretty, so pretty. When we were little, my cousin Rebecca, she always used to take us to, I think it was like Indian Steel Park or Tempe. So that was it, guys, for our day. I'm calling it a night. We just basically chilled and had some good food and just chilled at home and just watched some fireworks from our backyard, because to go out and it's just way too hot here to be outside unless you have like a pool or like a water slide. But we didn't do any of that this time, but it's okay. And that is gonna conclude our day, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys did, and if you guys do recreate the drink that I did, make sure you tag me on it. My Instagram is down below, as well as I can put it up here on the screen. So if you guys do make it, just tag me on it, and then make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys all on my next video. Bye, loves.